we've had a special birthday request today, so we're going to make some snow. So happy 9th birthday to William. And if anybody else has any requests for any of our presenters, please just let us know. So, to make snow, you will need a large mixing bowl, some bicarbonate of soda, some shaving foam, and something to mix it with, like a spatula or a wooden spoon, metal spoon, just something to mix it with. What you need to do is pour some bicarbonate of soda in your mixing bowl. Like that. Then you add some shaving foam. And you mix it. We have our fake snow. Remember, you can keep adding more bicarbonate of soda or more shaving foam until it starts to look like snow and it's not sticky. That's all from me for now, so